my phone. Yeah, so we're leaving, at the moment, we're leaving Banjul, and if you see, we're heading across the water early morning to Bada, on the other side of Gambia. And as you can see, the old girl is down there. We're getting somewhere. You know, that's a banana lady. Let's go up one deck. Let's go up one deck and see what's up here. The old knees is not working too well. But yeah, this is it. There's a fishing boat going somewhere. Good morning. Back up the boat. There's a white lady in the roof. Yeah, so we're leaving out yonder there. On the ferry. So if you can't hear me, I'm next to the engine. Oh yeah. And this Bajan fella here. Yeah, well. So we're disembarking. As you can see. Wow. Oh, the lady's carrying loads. Hey, look at pocket rocket. Jeez. Oh, sorry, I can't see that on camera. No, you don't have to turn it to them. Pick up everything. You don't have to turn the camera. Who tapping who? How you getting in? How you getting out? All you had to do was wait. This is the chaos of getting off the boat. Go. Yeah. Yes. Disembarking. Oh, the little girl. Where we now, boss? Mada. The ticket. You have to have the ticket. Oh, okay, okay. Wait, you on camera now, so you ain't talking?
Talking to Sam.
This guy here, boy.
Talking to Sam.
All of a sudden, you're a superstar, you don't want to talk.
I never say talking. I ain't talking. didn't know I was supposed to be giving background vocals.
Yeah, you're supposed to narrate.
Oh,
Yes.
so the blind leading the blind.
Yes, we are coming off the ferry and we are driving behind a black car.
Mind you, yeah, the driver want me to narrate and I fucking pass it.
We passing a truck. Like these things here, bulletproof or not, they even call them bomb-proof. These TN trucks. These things are massive in Africa.
From Banjul to Barra on the way to Senegal.
Yes, yes. But that was a nice ferry ride.
Easy.
Yes.
After being denied entry yesterday.
Last night, yes.
Last night.
We're here now.
Okay, police here. We need to turn off the camera.
Where the police is? But your watermelon dropping enough water in here. Yeah. Sorry about the sun in the place.
Let me get one of these here.
How much?
Hello. The
Oh,
real price,
look at
not
that.
the foreign price.
Huh? Free?
How much?
How much?
35.
Yonpa.
35 for everything. 35.
We can do all our bread.
But inside? Okay. Wait, we're coming. Hold it. Let me not kill him.
No, we need cheese now. Fuck. What nice tomorrow? Make it back down 100.
Yeah,
You have change for 100.
It's in the 50.
It's alright.
Damn it. Well, I hate when they say it. Yep. The one that they have.
You speaking English?
Hello,
Where you
excuse
from,
me.
Senegal?
1 second.
How are you?
You look very elegant and nice. I love it. She's very elegant. So now,
Yeah.
what drink you gonna drink with the bread?
Nothing, watermelon juice.
Huh?
Watermelon juice.
Alright. I get you. Yeah, so we're in Bado now. Yes, of course. Of course, not
Gaff
here.
it.
Yeah, you're gonna use it. Better. Yes. Go ahead, narrate, Kosi.
Just bought, how many what? 5 breads from a man
5 bread.
constipation on the making. No cheese, no butter.
And no drinks as yet. I wonder if we could get some Bunjo
Nah, that's diabetes.
diabetes.
Too much
But
sugar.
there's water.
Nah.
You can't just eat dry bread, sir.
No, we find some cheese.
Where?
Yeah, that's a should find.
But we're leaving. So where we gonna find cheese and we leaving town? You see we left town already.
Don't worry about it.
Okay, we'll find some. Wait. Oh, wait. Yeah. Hello. Alright. Oh shit. I didn't look at the map, you know. Wait. Yeah. I'll teach you all how I do my stuff now.
Roughneck.
The method to my madness. No, I look at the map and I memorize the map and then I drive.
Shit, it sounds like we're getting lost.
No, we're not getting lost. Are we too early? The cock crowing. Wait, let me pull over. No, it's easy. Pull over this way.
Check it. Jar Oil Company.
Yes. Don't worry, we're not hitting you. Intelligent little girl. Intelligent girl.
I would run to if I saw a weird looking vehicle
She saw the van and...
with a steering wheel on the wrong side.
No, not too bad. She out of order.
Wow.
Little girl out of order.
Foreigners in town.
She said 2 bob.
I hear.
Oh! No, we Christian, man. We just drive straight. We drive straight to your favorite place, Kadam.
I can tell you it's my favorite place.
Yeah. I don't want to kill you. I could have made it, but I don't kill you. Yeah, so we're now leaving Bada.
Look at all these lovely roadworthy vehicles.
Yes, they are. They have gone to Morocco and back many times.
Just make sure you have your tetanus shots.
Tetanus shot is all right. It's all right. Good morning. Hello.
I think I need to
Boy.
get rid of that absent t-shirt.
No, evaporation we deal with it.
When we stop.
Garbage day. There's a garbage day right there.
I guess we get a spoon.
But we left town.
Shit.
Where are we gonna get spoon from?
I have no idea though.
God, that little girl said 2 bob. Yeah, so we just came to the border of Karang, Senegal. And we're leaving now, heading towards Dakar. Senegal. You know what's crazy? Senegal and Gambia look the same, smell the same, they talk the same, everything is the same. So I wonder why they always say they're different when they are the same. So yeah, this is Karang. Take a view of Karang. Do you want an outside view? Did I hear you say no? Okay, here we go. pronounce it wrong, let me know. Ndiaffate. Wait. Hey, that's pretty there. Hey, look at Beijing there. It's a Beijing. Yeah. That belt, I don't like how that belt sound, you know. I have to adjust my pulley. Yes, so I'm maybe pronouncing. Oh, there goes Ndiaffate. I'm gonna call it Ndiaffate. So now we live in Ndiaffate. So this is Ndiaffate village. Always remember, you can pause the video at any time and look around. Swipe your screen, move your phone, whatever, and you can have a look at